there. Today I'm going to show you a few tricks to recording on Zoom. Uh, as I stated in my blog that is listed below, there are other ways that you can record. However, I like Zoom. I choose to use Zoom. I can put all of my recordings. It records them. It has them all there for me. I don't get out much these days, so using my phone is a little difficult for me. So I just do it on my computer. And so I'm going to teach you a few tricks. Hi guys, so I have tried for days. I started the video, introduced myself, went through all of the teachings that I had stated I was going to show you, and went to download it and write my blog, and certain areas would not show up. It took me days. I kept recording, and I'm like, what is going on? And I realized that it's in the settings area that it will not show. And I guess perhaps maybe that's my protection. So I did some print screens showing where to go on the settings to get your audio, and where to adjust your audio to professional mode or personalized mode. And so if you look at the next few slides, and you can pause it and look if you're needing to find that, it's in settings. And then I show where you go to audio, and then I show where you, with the arrows, I show where you click for personalized. Also in those slides, which it would not allow me to show you, it's how to get your recordings. So it did let me after I pulled up the recording, so I'll go back into talking in a minute, but you're going to see a few slides, and that's why, because it just would not allow me to record that. So I am going to show you with the arrows where to get your recordings, and on the one, it's going to show you where to click, and something that I'm going to try to write it to where it's explainable. But what happens is you click it and it looks like it didn't pull your recordings up. But what you need to do is exit out of that after you've clicked the recordings to open them. And then you click out of it, and your recordings are always behind that slide. So I know it wouldn't let me do it. And so I'm hoping that I made myself clear on the print screens, but I was afraid I wasn't. So I wanted to go ahead and get on here in the middle of a storm and finish up this video and explain that. So I think everything else is pretty clear. The only thing that I could not make real clear, and I was afraid I wasn't real clear, is once you open those recordings, it's going to look as if it didn't open. You're like, what's going on? It didn't open. You've got to exit out, and your recordings are going to be behind there. And then what you're going to want to do, it's going to show up all kinds of numbers, and you're going to want to rename it by right-clicking and then naming it whatever it is. And on mine, you'll see that. And I'll go into, now it did show that. It did let me keep the recording and showing that, but it didn't let me show you how to get it. So wanted to get back on here and show that. Stay tuned. I'm going to show the slides, and then I'll show you the rest that it would allow me to show you. All of your videos there. Now, I have already named them because that's something I do right away. So after you record, it will pop up converting this recording. So I'm always scared to lose mine. So as soon as it does that, I name mine. So if you right click on your mouse on the recording, as you see this box pops up, and you can click rename here. And so when you click rename, see there, I can just rename it if I wanted to, but I don't want to. So I'm going to leave it the same. So I hope that's helpful. I will show more. Oh, here's another trick. Sorry, I almost forgot that I want to show you one more. So if you're wanting to get this off so that you can put it on your desktop, it's easy cheesy. So you could download if you wanted to, uh, and by going here. But what I always do, because I'm kind of computer not, is what I always say. So I always just simply minimize this. And I just always simply take the recording that I want. I don't think I put this recording on yet. So always just click it and then drag it over to my desktop. And see, there it is. So in a moment, I'm going to do another video showing how to upload this onto Canvas so that you can, work with it, fix it the way you want to, and then also upload it to YouTube so that you can, get it out to the public. But there you go.